Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Rana Muhammad Kashif and you are watching my YouTube channel Positive People Commission. In today's Microsoft Excel tutorial, we will talk about how to calculate percentage change and how to calculate percentage increase or decrease. So I will elaborate with the help of two examples how to calculate percentage change. First, let's move on with the how to calculate the percentage change in the example number 1, that is enrollment. Percentage change is actually calculated formula is given right here, actual minus predicted divided by predicted, or you can simplify the formula actual divided by predicted minus 1. So let's calculate it. Equal to actual minus predicted, actual divided by predicted minus 1, and just after the fill handle appears, double click it and apply percentage and decimal places up to decimal number 1. You can see I have calculated the percentage change, and negative percentage means that there is negative change. So that's how you calculate the percentage change in enrollment or in anywhere. It's just an example. Now let's move on. If you are doing some financial analysis and you have some monthly sales and you want to calculate the percentage change in sales, so you have to do what? You have to do new value minus old value divided by the old value, or you can simplify new value divided by old value minus 1. We will leave out the first month, and for the second month, February value, it is new divided by the old value, which is 120, and minus 1, and double click on the fill handle and convert it to percentage change up to decimal 1, and now I can see the percentage change in the sales amount month wise. So that's how it's very simple. You can change the you can calculate the percentage change in the sales amount, as you just have to remember this formula. And now let's move on to our next part of this video, which is percentage increase or decrease. Now let's move on with the example number 1. Now what is the case that we have the actual enrollment and we have the percentage increase, and we want to calculate what enrollment has become after this percentage increase. So how we will calculate the actual value that has incurred after experiencing or after applying the percentage increase. Let me just say it's actually percentage change, not percentage increase. So how we will calculate? The formula is that you have to plus actual value and actual value multiply by that percentage. So this is the actual value plus actual value again and multiply by that percentage, which is 10% in this case. I get the increased enrollment or decreased enrollment. Where there is negative, there will be decreased enrollment. I just drag it, or you can double click, and if I round off this number, you can see that I have you can see that I got the increased or decreased enrollment. Just let me correct it right here, increased or decreased enrollment. Now let's move on to the example number 2. In this example, we will calculate that what are the monthly sales after incurring or after applying the percentage change. The problem is that we have the current sales in dollars, and we have that percent of amount has increased or where negative sign has decreased. So we want to calculate the actual amount based on that percentage value. How we will calculate? We will calculate current value plus current value multiplied by that percentage, equal to it is current value plus current value again multiplied by that percentage, $456. So this is the actual sales amount that we have got after applying the percentage change in sales and the current sales combination. So that's it from now. I hope so you have learned this very simple formulas that we sometimes face difficulty in doing so. So hope so you have liked the video and learned a new thing, or it may have solved your problem. Do let me know in comments, and thanks for watching this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.